Stolen. That is the only word for what happens when the mind runs the same loop for decades without anyone noticing it was installed by someone else. Picture a clock tower in a small town. Every morning the bell rings at 6. Nobody questions it. Generations wake to that sound, build routines around it, plan entire lives by it. Then one day a traveler climbs the tower and discovers the mechanism is broken. The bell has been ringing at the wrong hour for 40 years. The whole town shaped itself around a mistake. That is what inherited programming does to a life. Beliefs about money, health, relationships, all of it absorbed before the age of 7, locked into the subconscious like a rusted gear nobody thought to inspect. And the wild part is the conscious mind keeps saying, I want more, I deserve better, while the deeper machinery keeps striking the same broken hour. Here is where it gets interesting. Neuroscience now confirms the subconscious is not a sealed vault. It is more like soil. Whatever gets planted repeatedly, with emotion and repetition, eventually takes root. The old weeds do not vanish overnight, but they can be crowded out by something stronger. One practical move worth testing this week. Before sleep, when the mind shifts into that drowsy theta state, spend 60 seconds holding a single vivid image of the life that feels most alive. Not affirmations, not words, just one clear picture held with genuine feeling. The subconscious does not argue with images delivered in that window. It simply records. A broken clock can be reset. The tower still stands. The gears still turn. The only thing that changes is who decides to climb the stairs and adjust the mechanism. For anyone exploring the science behind mental reprogramming and conscious change, a subscribe and a like helps this conversation reach more minds ready to climb. Every single person who watches this video has the power to change someone else's life today. Subscribing to Infinity Quantum takes 1 second, but creates a ripple that reaches people across the entire world. Hit like, share this with someone who needs it, and drop your location in the comments because seeing where our community reaches genuinely excites us. Together, we are building something real. Join us and help others find this too.